I'm Lee York. I am a realtor in Fort Worth, Texas, and I'm also one of your GRI instructors for Nebraska. First, I want to tell you just real quickly about the GRI program. It stands for Graduate Realtor Institute, and this is higher learning. This is not the classes that you got for pre-licensing, and it's also not just your standard continuing education required type stuff, right? Now, this does count for CE. Each class is essentially 2 days. They're 15 hours. You get CE for them. There are 6 of them, and you have 5 years in which to take all 6. After you've taken all 6 courses, then you can pay a one-time fee, and you have that designation for as long as you are a realtor member in good standing, right? So the course that I want to talk to you about is the ethics and legal, because I'm actually going to be there facilitating that course for you very soon. This course goes into, well, obviously it's legal and ethics, right? So there's risk reductions. We spend a lot of time on fair housing. There are things happening out there that are violations that we don't even realize. We don't even realize what we're doing because we didn't mean it that way, right? But we're going to talk about that kind of stuff, how to handle it when you see someone else violating fair housing. We will talk about professional standards complaints. I hear a lot of talk about nobody ever complains or nothing gets done. Well, the fact is complaints are filed, but maybe not always in the proper format. Or also there's a confidentiality issue, right? And that matters if a complaint's ever filed against you, right? You don't want it all over the place, especially if you correct your behavior really quickly. So we're going to talk about how to file those complaints, when to file the complaints, what happens if a complaint is filed against you. Did I say broker responsibility? We talk a lot about that. I have a list here because there's so much. Antitrust, of course, Article 10, and violations of the public trust. That's a phrase we hear that we don't always know what it means. So we're going to talk about exactly what does that mean. We're also going to spend some time on financing and procuring and a few other little things. On the afternoon of the second day, 3 of your 15 hours, right? You don't have to take another class, but 3 of your 15 hours will be the NAR Code of Ethics course that meets all. It's not the same one you see online, but it meets all of those requirements. So you'll have that requirement met as well when you completed this GRI 103, right? So I'm looking forward to spending that time with you, and I will see you soon. Bye.